Namaste, this is Dr. Ranapa and welcome back to Ayurvedic Ascent. Many women ask me, Doctor, can PCOS be cured permanently with Ayurveda? The answer is yes. Ayurveda does not just manage symptoms, it corrects the root imbalance. Today, I will share the step by step Ayurvedic approach that has helped hundreds of my patients to live free from PCOS symptoms. So, let's start with understanding the root cause. In modern medicine, PCOS is seen as hormonal and metabolic disorder, but Ayurveda explains it as a three doses imbalance which is mainly caused by excess kapha, that is weight gain, cyst formation, and irregular cycles. Disturbed vata will cause irregular flow, pain, and bloating. Aggravated pitta will eventually lead to acne, hair fall, and mood swing. When Agni, the digestive fire, weakens, toxins accumulate, block the reproductive channels, and disturb ovulation. So the goal is not only to reduce the cyst, but to restore balance of dosas, digestive fire, and hormones. Second is diet therapy. The first step is diet because food is medicine in Ayurveda. So, what to eat? Warm, light, freshly cooked meals, moong dal, gourds, leafy greens or carrots, spices like fenugreek, cumin, cinnamon, turmeric to kindle the digestive fire and improve insulin sensitivity. Flax seeds and soaked almonds are great for hormone imbalance. So, let's come to what to avoid. Refined flour, white bread, pasta and pizzas, sugary foods, desserts, colas, excess dairy and fried foods, late night meals, etc. So now come to lifestyle and routine. Ayurveda says dinacharya hi chikitsa hai. Daily routine is the treatment. Exercise daily, walking, yoga, Surya Namaskar reduce kapha and improve circulation. Pranayama and meditation reduces stress hormones that worsen PCOS. Proper sleep. Sleep before 11 p.m. Rise early. This restores common rhythm. So skipping meals, proper sleep. Sleep before 11 p.m. Rise early. This restores hormonal rhythm. No skipping meals. Maintain steady energy for balanced home. Some classical herbs and treatments used in PCOS are commonly Shatavari, nourishes the reproductive system, Ashoka, that regulates your cycles, Triphala, it clears the toxins and improves digestion, Panchakarma therapies like Virechana and Basti for deeper detoxification. Remember, remedies must be personalized. Every patient's dosha is and symptoms different. Always consult before starting taking any herbs. So, sisters, the Ayurvedic approach to PCOS is not just a quick pill, it's a lifestyle correction, diet discipline, and detox therapy that works at the root. When followed sincerely, periods normalize, weight reduces, skin clears, and fertility improves naturally. Comment Heal PCOS if you want me to share a detailed 7-step Ayurvedic protocol in the next video. Follow me for more authentic Ayurvedic guidance on PCOS and women health. Thank you so much for watching.